The gangsters, they're so far they all think I'm too wide and dirty.
Hey, what's up guys? This is another episode of Southern Rebel Gaming from the last Terraria episode that I did, and we will be continuing as the KFC man on the chicken nugget. So, I've recently just got into more uploading. Haven't really been doing too much lately today. Not sure about you guys, but it's been kind of a long day. I felt like raging over absolutely nothing. Come on, friend, help me. Why? You brought no food and then you try to steal my body. Not happening today. I shall howl at the moon. Woo. Whoa, that's not the moon. Strange. Sandy! That is surprising. There's no zombies. Oh. There it is. I will end you, Zambi. Oh, that's nice. Dadgummit! Come on! I got decapitated. Man, I'll tell you what, after the day I've had, this is just the best thing ever. Best thing since sliced bread. Never mind, you can just have it. You can just have my house. Because I can climb over it. Psh. Yeah, that's right, friend. Ah. You are now locked outside. Can't do anything. I know you guys don't really want to see me try to get all these people, so I'll tell you for anything interesting. Hey guys, it's daytime now, and I'm finally ready to go out and look for something. Probably like ores. I'm just like really ready to go ahead and go out on an adventure all by myself. Who knows what we might find out here. Ooh, look. It's a cave that leads nowhere. What I really need to do is get some iron and make a really good sword. Oh yeah, that's perfect. The desert. Best place to get stuff. Also the most dangerous place to get stuff. So it comes with its ups and downs. We might just get us a whole set today, and a sword and a pickaxe. Might get out lucky. And I suddenly regret saying that, because there's a giant pit full of something that I really do not want to fight, because I have nothing to fight with. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back home. Only if I had something to ride on. I know you guys don't want to see this, so I'll see you later. Okay, you guys, you remember how I said I was gonna go back home? Well, I actually just chopped down some trees so I can just get across this pit right here. So I don't have to die trying to cross it. Let's just hope I don't awaken anything that I don't need. Like them giant butterfly things that I keep dying by. What would you like me to see them die by? Just say in the comments below if you want to see me die by one of these. Oh my gosh. Hello, friend. We are not friends, I guess. Ah! Ah, friend, we are friends. Come on, friend. I don't know why I keep saying friend. Come on, go fight me if you're not my friend. Ah. Come on, at least my friend will put up a good fight like you. There, finally! Freaking died. Freaking dummy. Oh my gosh, I hate these. You know what? Screw you. Yeah. I figured my life was over soon. Yeah, it's really over soon. Come get me. See? Told you. There's that little wasp thing coming for my body. But there's no remains for him. I'm gonna try to go back and get some more stuff, so yeah. Boom, I'm back. Right back at the desert. Right where I was. Let's go see if we can find that cactus. Because I really need some armor. I really need a sword. Like a good one, actually. Not just a dumb copper one. So, yeah. Collecting some cactus. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see you. Please end my suffering. Oh my gosh, you are so stupid. You just suicide. Suicide. Please end my suffering. For only 25 cents a day, you can help stop vulture disasters. For one subscribe, you can save 2. It's free, but it's a dedication. Subscribe to save the vultures in their natural habitat. No way, did I just get a recall potion? Oh, no way, cool. Sweet, gonna need those. Pretty flowers. Whoa, no. You know what? I think I'm just gonna have to get some of that tin. Oh no, never mind. That's not a good time for some tin. Oh yeah, that's nice. Let's just get that. Get. There we go. We're home. And what should I get? Okay, that costs 20. Costs 30, that's 50. 50, 75. 85. 100. Oh, cool, I have enough. Boom, full set of cactus, boy. Man, that's awesome. I cannot believe I had enough for everything I needed. It's crazy. And so now, how much defense are we gonna get? How much are we gonna get? 0! 5. We have 5 defense. What? How do I always get these? You know what? Screw it. Cactus sword. I'm good with that. I'm throwing you away because you're sad. And you know what? I might sell you one of these days. Just kidding. Now I'm ready to go kill that bird. Look at me. Yeah, I look awesome, don't I? Man, I cannot believe I came out that lucky. Look how fast that goes. That's right. I am the man now. Nobody can defeat me in my awesome freaking cactus. Oh, I already went down that cave. Who cares? Oh yeah, when I was in that cave in the last video, my headphone jack came out, and I was like, oh man. And I realized that, and I didn't tell you guys that in the last video because I was too afraid. But now I'm not. Here we go. Hello, friend. That's right. Take some. Eat some. Yeah. Finally found a spot to get between those trees. And I think it's, you know what? You can subscribe to help save the lost cause to axes, how they never get used. One subscribe a day is another upgrade for an axe. If you subscribe now, you will always get the vulture saving and the axe saving. To make sure. Oh, whoa, never mind. That's cool. I like it. Has 2 melee speed. Make it even faster. Boom, got an iron sword now. And more rope. Shuriken. More recalls, and that does nothing. Sweet. That was a great chest. I like it. And that's just an empty hole to show my despair. You can also subscribe to End My Despair. Despair is the #1 leading cause of death in Terraria. Please, subscribe now. Okay, I'm stuck. I'm just gonna stop making those ASPCA jokes. I know you guys hate that. But I love them. Anyways, last night as you saw in the last video, last night I made my intro and all this cool stuff, and I learned that night, so that was great. So now my videos don't look like total trash that were from Upload Studio, and I made thumbnails for them, and probably gonna make a thumbnail for this one, so it's gonna be a little bit. Yeah. And just private message me if you want to do if you want to do a game of Terraria with me. We can both try to get more subscribers, or try to get me more, just however you want to look at it. So they'll go to my channel, and the people on my channel go to yours. It would be great. Oh yes, just like finding this chest in the middle of nowhere. Oh yeah, umbrella. I love those things. A lot of people hate them, but I like it just to float down to the ground. So. Recalls and nades. Everybody needs a good old grenade. You know what? I just feel like this is a great place to go exploring. So that's what I'm gonna do. Whoa! Whoa! No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! No way! What is this? Oh no way! It's a strange plant. You know what? I'm gonna teleport home. I'm freaking rich now. Like, look at me. Got gold chain. Look at that. 10! And I got the freaking strange plant that has a really cool dye effect. So I'm gonna use that sometime whenever I get the dye trader. Yeah. Can't wait now for the dye trader. I usually hate him, but that's just me. I need a furnace. Hey, Mr. Man. How do you make a furnace? Yeah, okay, I don't want to learn how to make a cocktail. Furnace, furnace, furnace. Cool. Just need some cobblestone. And look at that! How did I get all this cobblestone? No way! Come on, friend? Yes. Haha. what I just realized? I have to use every single bit of that iron to make a whatchamacallit, an iron anvil. So this is gonna suck. After I get all this good stuff, I have to waste it. But it's for a good cause. Kinda like subscribing. There we go, iron anvil. And iron bars. Got 4 of them. Might be enough to make a sword. Okay. This currently does 9, and the sword does 10. Fast speed. Fast speed. Or should I end the suffering? Who cares? So the real question is, what can you use 10 to build? Hey, Mr. Friend, come in. Oh yeah, that is awesome. Okay. 9, are you serious? That sucks. Oh, get in the house. Look at me now. Ooh, friend. You know, I'm gonna go explore the world again. I might see another one of those, like, little circle things that were like, make it rain on this boy. Yeah, I'm just gonna try. What's up, guys? I'm right back at the Make It Rain cave, and that's what we're gonna call. Oh man, that's not a Make It Rain cave. No. Luckily, I came prepared. Hey, look, there's 10. Yeet. We'll just get this before we die. Don't have that much money anyways. Please end my suffering. Life is ending fast. Right now you can subscribe. Never mind. It was only 1 copper. KFC man is shark food. Why? Oh my gosh, look at that chest right there. I did not see that chest. I'm going back. After I melt this down. And make an axe to end the suffering. Finally, I can end the suffering. What is this, 40? That's 35. Why not? Cool, King. Used to be a teacher named Miss King. Oh, dang it, it's nighttime. Who cares? Who cares? I just hope you guys are really enjoying this video. It's a good one. It's not really that boring, me building stuff. It's me exploring, you know? But it's not all about me. It can be about you guys if you want to. You know, you can just tell me if you want me to be like more stupid, more funny, more serious, more building, more crazy, more whatever. More adventurous. I really would like some feedback because I'm not really getting too much from the 2 people who commented. They just wrote 1 comment, so it's just kind of sad. Please send something like more, something like not likely spam, because I got 2 likely spams a couple weeks ago, so it's not bad. It's not good either. Ah! Ah! Friends! We are friends! We are all friends, right? Spawns are safe. Well, guys. guys, it looks like this is pretty much all the time I have, and I swear to you guys, I will spawn right here, right in the same spot, right in front of the furnace next time. So I will see
I
you
wanna
guys
roll
later.
with the gangsters.